So ma'am, we have seen chapter number 1. So in this video we are going to see about chapter number 2, transport and acceleration. Let's see. So this is question answers. Our first question is which organs make up the circulatory system? So following organs make up the circulatory system: heart and blood vessel. Second question, name 2 types of blood vessels: arteries and vein. Name 3 things. Question number 3, name 3 things that the blood carries. Blood carries following things: oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Question number 4, name 4 organs that helps us get rid of waste: kidney, urinary bladder and ureter. How do the kidneys work? First, blood carries waste from all over the body to the kidney. Second, there are millions of tiny filters inside the kidneys. Third, this strain out of waste from the blood. Fourth, blood vessels carry clean blood from the kidneys. Fifth, and the waste mixed with water collects in the kidneys to form urine. Question number 6, explain how blood flows through the body. First, venous carries impure blood to the heart. Second, this impure blood consists of carbon dioxide. Third, the heart pumps it into the lungs. Fourth, in lungs the blood loses carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen and return to the heart from the lungs. Fifth, the heart pumps this blood into the arteries which carry it to every part of the body. Sixth, the oxygen is get in the blood is used to produce energy. Seventh, then the deoxygenated blood or oxygenless blood returns to the heart through the venous. It carries carbon dioxide and water vapor from every part. So now we will going to read. Choose the correct option. So our first question is, choose the correct option. The blood that reaches the heart from the lungs carries. So ma'am, answer will be a B. Next question, urine is carried away from the kidneys by what is the answer? Ureters. Next question, third question, blood is carried from the heart to the other organs by the arteries. A. Arteries. Our answer is A. 4. The opening through which urine passes out of the body is the C option. Urethra. So our fifth question, every time the heart contracts, blood flows into the A. Arteries. So let's read Phillips. Doctor uses stethoscope to listen to our heartbeat. Second, the heartbeat is the sound of the heart pumping blood. The heart beats fast when we exercise. Ureters carry urine to the urinary bladder. The heart tilts a bit off the left. So left answer. The kidneys are shaped like bean. So ma'am, let's see my copybook. So ma'am, this is the bookwork. This. And now we will see. And this is the Phillips. We have read this also. And this is the question answers. This also we have read. So thank you, ma'am.